Hey everyone, this is Tony Teaches Tech. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to both allow and deny root from logging in via SSH to your server. So if that's something you want to learn how to do, let's get on into the tutorial here. And what we first want to do here, I do have a user called root, and he does have SSH access. So let's go ahead and show you that that's the case. I'm going to go ahead and log in via SSH, type my password here. And he has successfully logged in via SSH. So that's pretty much that demonstration. Now you can stay in here and do what we're going to do, but I want to also show you that I have another user here called udoms, and this is a non-root user. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as that user now. And now that we're logged in as this non-root user, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually switch over to root user in order to revoke SSH login access. So we can do that with su dash, just the dash, and that will ask you for the root password. So I'll type that in. And now we, as you can see down here, we are logged in as root via this other user. So what we want to do in order to revoke access via SSH to root is we want to edit the etc ssh sshd underscore config file. And in here, if at the very bottom of this file, if you don't have it, or you can just search for allow users, we want to take root out of this list, and you might not even see this, and that's okay, because it's not always going to be explicitly defined under that list, or you might not even have that variable. So moving on, there's one other thing we want to change in here, and that is PermitRootLogin. PermitRootLogin, and I did it again, and that is enabled right now. So change that from yes to no. Not, but no. And we'll go ahead and save that file. And in order to make those changes effective, we can do a service SSH restart. And now let's go ahead and back out. So we'll back out of our root session. We'll back out of our user session. And let's go ahead and try to log in via SSH as root. And it's going to ask us for the password. I'll type that in. And I can guarantee you that I typed in the password correctly, but it's going to say permission denied. And I can go through that again and again, but root has now been revoked access from logging in via SSH. The cool thing is we can still log in as our user because we have specified that user explicitly in that file, and there's a whole tutorial on that, which I'll link in this video. So let's go ahead and log in as a user. And we're logged into the server. So basically our normal user has SSH access, but root does not have SSH access. That's a good thing to do for security purposes. That's all I have as far as this tutorial is concerned. I have a whole bunch of other tutorials about Ubuntu, adding users, and changing permissions, giving this user, specifically udoms in this case, sudo access. So check those out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.